In this video, I'll show you how to track your Cash App card. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. First off, you need to launch your Cash App on your mobile device, alright? Now, what we need to do is select the cash card, alright? You should find an option related to your cash card because it will give you some information regarding the status of your card. Look for any updates on the card's delivery. Usually, Cash App provides estimated delivery times or tracking information from your cash card if available. You might even find a tracking number or estimated delivery date if you find it here. Okay? Now, if you don't see any information about your card's delivery status or if you have any concerns about the delivery, you might want to go here at support. All right. All right. So go here and then contact support. All right. Now you tell them your situation that you wanted to track the status of your card or even begin a chat and ask if there's like a estimated delivery date or if your card has already been dispatched. And the support team will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concern. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.